Hello folks, in this video we're going to be changing the oil on this PowerBack generator, and it is recommended that you change the oil every 50 hours of operation. And before we get started, you're going to need a few things. You're going to need some kind of wrench or adjustable wrench to get that drain plug off. You're going to need SAE 30 oil, and this holds approximately 26 ounces. So before you get started, it's recommended that you warm this engine up just to get all the sediments freely moving and out of there when you drain it. The next thing is you're going to need some kind of drain pan, and you're going to want this generator to be on a level surface. So that's about it. Let's get started. Okay, so there's that drain plug, and it's right under the carburetor. Let's get that off. I'm using a 7/16. That oil should start coming out. There it is. So we're going to let that drain for a bit. Okay, so now that oil has been drained, we're going to put back this drain plug in. Next, we're going to proceed to fill in oil. And I recommend putting some kind of cloth underneath all this while you're working. Get a funnel in there. Okay, so now that we've put the oil in, I'm going to go ahead and check the oil level. So I'm going to go ahead and wipe off this dipstick and insert it in there without screwing it in. And that's at a good level. So that's it. We've just changed the oil. If you found this video useful, please feel free to give it a like. Thank you, and until next time.